Throughout the course of our lives, we inevitably have to deal with a variety of individuals who stir up trouble and make our lives difficult and unpleasant. This is an introduction I've noticed when I'm reading this book, The Laws of Human Nature by Robert Greene. Robert Greene was born May 14, 1959. He's an American author known for his books on strategy, power, and seduction. He has written a 6 international bestseller, The 48 Laws of Power, The Art of Seduction, The 33 Strategy of War, The 50 Law, 50 Cent, Mystery, and the Law of Human Nature. The younger son of a Jewish parents, Greene grew up in Los Angeles and attended the University of California, Berkeley, before finishing his degree at the University of Wisconsin-Madison with a Bachelor of Arts in Classical Studies. Before becoming an author, Greene estimated worked 80 jobs, including a construction worker, translator, magazine editor, and Hollywood movie writer. In 1995, Greene worked as a writer at Fabrica, an art and media school in Italy, and met a book packager named Jules Arthur. Greene pitched a book about power to Arthur and wrote a treatment which eventually became the 48 Laws of Power. He would know this as the turning point of his life. The Law of Human Nature was released in October 2018. The book examined people's conscious and unconscious drives, motivation, and cognitive biases. Greene is a master guide of millions of readers, distilling ancient wisdom and philosophy into essential texts for seekers of power, understanding, and mystery. Now he turns to the most important subject of all, understanding people's drives and motivation, even when they are unconscious of themselves. We are social animals. Our very lives depend on our relationship with people. Knowing why people do what they do is the most important tool we can possess, without which our other talents can only take us so far. The Laws of Human Nature offers brilliant tactics for success, self-improvement, and self-defense. The Law of Human Nature by Robert Greene is highly recommended to read. To like it, share it, and definitely 10 plus. Modicum people, thank you for listening, and see you soon.